Hey there, are you suffering with knee arthritis and are you looking for some stretches to get some relief from it? My name's Dr. David Midoff, manual physical therapist, and I'm the owner of Paso Manual Physical Therapy, where we specialize in helping people stay active, healthy, and mobile while avoiding unnecessary surgeries, injections, and having to rely on pain medications. I'm going to show you 3 knee arthritis stretches that I show all our new clients starting out with us. Here's what you can expect with these stretches. It shouldn't hurt to do them. It should actually feel good. And after you're done doing the stretches, you should be able to get up, walk around, move around, and it should feel a little easier to get around. Make sure that when you do the stretches, they're gentle, they're not aggressive. If we use a 0 to 10 scale, if 0 means you feel nothing and 10 means it's the biggest stretch you've ever had and you're about to tear or rip something, at most, I want you to stretch at about a 2 or 3. So it should be pretty light. Doing this repeatedly throughout the day, I tell some people to do this every hour while they're awake, is most effective. The no pain, no gain saying does not apply here. Stretching your knee as hard as you possibly can is only likely going to hurt you. So let's get into the stretches. The first one, we call it a heel slide. You'll have to have your shoes off, be barefoot. You might do this on the bed or the floor. And let's say it's the right knee here. What you're gonna do is bend up your knee as far as it'll comfortably go. And then using your muscles in the back of your leg, hold it there so that you're actively working these muscles about 10 seconds and then relax. And I want you to repeat this 10 times. So you're pulling it like this, 10 seconds. You shouldn't feel a very big stretch here in the knee at all. It should feel like muscles are working in a mild stretch, a 2 to 3 out of 10. Now, if you're not feeling much of a stretch here in the knee, then give it a little bit of pressure with your hands, but make sure that you're not exceeding that 2 to 3 out of 10 stretch intensity. What's more important on this stretch is that you're using these muscles, because inside the joint where the knee arthritis is, you're actually moving and shifting the surfaces of the joint using your own muscles. So that's why this knee joint stretch is so effective for people that have knee arthritis. Just like that, give it a little extra pressure. After you're done with bending your knee, then you're gonna work on straightening out your knee.
Pardon the interruption. I want to tell you about our knee arthritis recovery program. This program is completely focused on fixing the root problem that's putting too much pressure through your knee joint and setting up osteoarthritis. There's 3 components to this program. The first is a curriculum. It's me walking you through the 4 phases of recovery. In the first one, that's when you're really stiff and painful and you maybe can't get around very well, all the way to the last phase where you're doing maintenance work and you're feeling fantastic, able to get around and potentially even exercise. That's a big section of the program. A second section of the program is weekly live group coaching, where me and my staff are on Zoom talking to you, answering questions so that you're never stuck. And then the third component is a private community where you can ask questions and my team is getting to you throughout the week, as well as learn from others and see their questions and their wins so you can get encouragement along the way. Go check out the program. Back to the video.
So what you do for that is lie it flat, and if you've got problems with straightening out your knee all the way because it's so stiff from the knee arthritis, that's okay, just get comfortable there. What you're gonna do next is use your thigh muscles here to tense up the quads, the muscles right here on the front, and actively push your knee down into the bed or the floor as best as you can. Holding it there, you can give it a little extra pressure. 10 seconds, and then relax a bit. You can get comfortable if you need to, get in whatever position you want to relax. As far as time rest, it's up to you. You can take just a couple of seconds if you want to. If you need a minute, that's fine. If you need a minute, you're likely doing this too hard and it's a little too aggressive. So back off on your intensity if you're really going hard in the stretch. Hold it for 10 seconds, fire these muscles, and how hard you contract. You want to go as hard as you comfortably can without hurting your knee and without doing that stretch too aggressively. So your thigh muscle should be getting a little tired at this point. That's okay. More importantly, you're shifting the knee joint in a different direction as compared to the other exercise. Now, the third exercise that I send people with knee arthritis home with is kneecap shakes. So the way this looks is you got to stay relaxed in that leg, and you're going to grab your kneecap in the palm of your hand gently. Make sure not to press down on it. You're more so just cupping it. Once you feel like you got it under your hand, then what you're going to do is just shake it side to side real nice and easy, and up and down real nice and easy. The kneecap has the ability to kind of shift around quite a bit when the knee is straight like this. So yours may not move very much, that's okay. The little micro motions are actually beneficial to getting that kneecap to move. So what I'm doing here is shifting it side to side about 3 or 4 times, and then going up and down, like towards my foot and towards my hip, about 3 or 4 times as well. And you'll do this for about a minute. You're just loosening up the kneecap. Arthritis can largely affect the back of the kneecap where it connects to the end of the thigh bone. So doing this kneecap shake can help quite a bit. Don't go fast and don't be aggressive. You're not trying to shove your kneecap all the way over in either direction. There's small little wiggles, small shakes, and controlled so that it's gentle on your knee. So once you've done that for a couple of minutes at most, then you're done. You can get up, move around. You should feel like you're a little more limber. Your knee should feel better. It should not hurt. And you need to be doing that on a regular basis right now. I'd say do it every hour to 2 hours and until your knee feels better. Now, solving knee arthritis is a process. And what I've shown you right now is just the first step. How to go about the next step largely depends on many factors that are individual to each case. I can tell you from experience that resolving knee arthritis is a process. It can take a while at times. And what I've shown you right now is just the first step to get the knee arthritis looser. Over time and with certain progressions that depend on your specific situation, your strength, how severe it is, how long it's been there. There's many factors to look at. Over time, these exercises need to be progressed to more normal activities so that you can be in a position where you're not having to rely on pain medications, you're not visiting a doctor for injections, and you're avoiding a surgery that might be coming down the line for you later in life if you don't manage this right now. But the good news is that in 9 out of 10 cases that we see here in the clinic, they do not need surgery. They have the ability to progress just fine and get back to being active, healthy, and mobile. We have people that have knee arthritis problems that are running, that are lifting weights, that are kneeling down on the floor, getting up and down from the floor, active with cleaning their house, going up and down steps with no problems after getting treatment. If you're looking for more help with the knee problem, make sure to visit our website at epmanualphysicaltherapy.com. There's tons of free resources on there. One that I want to highlight for you is our free ebook called The 7 Ways to End Knee Pain. You can get that for free. It'll be instantly sent to your email inbox so that you can get extra tips on how to begin to resolve your knee problem. I wish you have the best day today. Bye-bye.